evening, friends. Let's review today's performance, how the calls went today. So I do a video one day in Hindi and one day in English. So keep checking the videos every day. Let's see, today's 4th October. Let's see what happened to today's calls. So we got on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 calls today. This is an automated system which generates the signal automatically onto the Telegram channel. This is my phone screen, casting the phone screen. Okay, so Jindal Steel. Let's see how these calls went today. This is a complete automated system on which the calls get generated with lots of algorithms, which uses more than 20 indicators to give you a right signal at right time. This comes automatically, no manual intervention. So let's see, 10:36 we got Jindal Steel to say saying it's bullish. I mean, from there it is going to be bullish. Okay, so let's see Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel 10:30. This is a 5-minute chart. If you see from here, 10:36 today started at 10:36. See, 10:30, roughly 10:40, let's say. So from here, the signal has come. There are few indicators which you need to use to make the entry, which will be explained to you. This is the the performance of Jindal Steel after the call has come. So from here, if you look at the percentage wise, 10:40 from here, if you see 10:42, I'm sorry, see almost a 2% roughly. Okay, so next is Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors came at 12:11. So this is 12:11 candle, 12:10 candle. See from here it said bullish, so it was a fall down. So it was expecting a correction from here, and it went very well from 12. See, this is 12:25. This is 12:20. See from here, see the movement. So this is what our call said today. Extremely good signals with a very good high accuracy. You can join to this group and keep checking in live also. I have a few other channels also in which you get a different guidance. This is particularly for those people who have a little bit of technical knowledge. There will be sometimes there will be some calls which we may need to avoid. So instead of following these signals directly, there will be some little bit of checking which you need to do, which we will explain once you join this channel. So let's say NTPC came at 145. So let's see what happened after 145. See, this is 140 candle. See, that is also NTPC. We asked it for, we got it for a bearish. So 140, 145, this is the candle. So from here we have taken a short position. A little movement, not a very big move, I would say, but it's okay. A little bit of movement, you can exit it. As the day ended here, you might have exited if at all, if you're trading in intraday. So delivery also, there is a chance. Looking at this chart, there is a chance that it will go down tomorrow also. You can check it. Otherwise, you can exit with a small profit, but still it's a good thing to have even a small profit. Okay. Now let's see National UM. National UM at 228 we got a bullish call. 228. See, this is where we got it. From here to here there was a rally. See, few calls give us a good profit, extremely good profit, 5-6%. Few calls gives 1 or 2% only. But we always look at, go with the 0.5% or 1% gain. That's it. I do not recommend more than that, because we get calls every day. We have lot of time. We get every day, and why do we need to wait for big losses, big profits, and make big losses? No. keep always have a stop loss. There is a method of keeping a stop loss also. So stop loss, keep a stop loss here and go ahead. That's it. A little bit of 0.5% to 1% you get it. If you do in MIS, you get 6 times 5 times margin also. You do it in MIS, just exit with a small profit. That's it. So last call is Deepak NTR. Deepak NTR also was very good. It is still going up. 251. See, we got the call at here at this candle. From here, see the movement. So this is how this channel is for those people who have a little bit of technical knowledge, who can just see the indicators and take the trades. If you do not have, still there are I have few more channels in which you don't need that much knowledge also. This is a positional, this is investment, short terms. Example, let's see short terms. See the calls. Each call has a proper entry time, target 1, target 2, target 3 and stop loss. Status will be later updated. I mean, I have edited, you can see this edited once it touched the the targets. I edit it as target 1 achieved, target 2 achieved, kind of. You can see a very good success rate. All, for example, see 3 targets means almost 100 rupees, 1507 rupees to 1607. So I won't be showing the latest today's calls, but you can see later after 3-4 days again I'll show today calls also this way. So you can evaluate, you can see how much is the success rate. Even you don't need to evaluate on this video itself. You can join this channel, see for 2-3 days. You can see last few 100 messages also once you join this channel. You can see each one has a time. You have the chart here, you can check it, how is it going, and this way. So we have many other, short terms is an investment. If you are somebody who has no time to trade, you just need to, you just want to invest in long term. We have some long term investment calls also. All are in the same format. You will get buy entry this thing price and target 1, target 2, target 3 and stop loss. So easily, very understandable, very handy, very clear, and you will have updates also. What happened to the call, status update also every time. Very clear thing. So this is a performance of 4th October. So let's see the next video I'll upload for 5th October. So I'll keep uploading every day. One day I'll make it in Hindi, one day I'll make it in English. Please subscribe to channel to see the videos every day. Or if you want to directly check it, you just ping me up, you join the channel directly, and then you observe the calls. Then you can permanently get into we have 4-5 categories. Intradays is there, index option, index future is there, so in which you can do Nifty and Bank Nifty calls options also. So this way. Okay, thank you for watching.